Hey everybody, JJ here. I just installed 1, 2, and 3 of these EasyBaby Easy Retractable Baby Gates. And I just want to share my thoughts with you of what I thought after installing 3 of them. First off, installation. They made it really straightforward with these templates. They're marked on there so you know exactly what each template is for and how to use it. They punched holes right here, so you set this up on the wall where you need it, make a mark with your pencil, take your screw in the bracket, and then what you need to do is take your gate and latch it right on there, and then that gate is secure. Once you have your baby gate installed, you want to make sure that it's in the unlock position. Grab it with one hand, put it right on the hooks, and then come over here, press down on that, puts it in the lock position, and now the gate is secured and the baby or the dog cannot get out. They have this mesh right here that's really durable. You can even bring these outside and install them outside as well, and so it's UV resistant and durable. And all you need to do to put it back is to put this in the unlock position, grab it, unhook it, and there it is, stored out of the way, ready to use for next time.